Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning about Vasa. Its botanical name is Adhatoda vasica, important dravya in Ayurveda. It is well-known Ayurvedic drug mainly used in respiratory disorders. Here we have to understand that if we say Vasa, the first thing you should remember that it is a respiratory disorder relieving drug. Chief constituent of Vasa is fascicline, which is alkaloid. It is having a bronchodilator and expectorant action. Parichay of Vasa. Sanskrit name is Adhatoda, English name Malabar nut, Latin name which means our botanical name Adhatoda vasica, family Acanthaceae, and Gana Shwasakasahara Dravya. Here you can understand by Gana we can refer or say the prayoga or doshagnata or indicated in which dosha or in which roga. So Gana is Shwasakasahara Dravya. Then identification, which is morphology of Vasa. It is shrub. First of all, it is shrub. Its height is 1 to 2.5 meter high. It is medium heighted and evergreen, always 12 months it is always green shrub. How are the leaf? In photo you can see the leaves are simple, opposite, smooth and dark green. Flowers white purple streaks. You can see the flowers white with purple streaks in axillary spikes. Purple or pinkish stripes will be there. Fruit is capsule and linear. Odor is faint. Taste is bitter, slightly astringent. Here you can see the photo of fruit. Part used is patra. Rasa, तिक्तरस गुण लघुवृक्षगुण वीर्य शीत विपाक कटु प्रभाव श्वासहर कफहर कर्म कफहर which reduces kapha, श्वासहर which reduces dyspnea, kasahara relieves cough, expectorant कफनी शक्रक, bronchodilator, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. These are the main actions of the Vasa. So yoga and therapeutic uses of Vasa. We can use in Shwasa, Kasa, Kafaja Vikara, Pratishaya, and formulations are Vasa Avaleha, Vasanta Kusumakara Rasa, Shitopaladi Churna, Adato Arishta, etc. Dose of Vasa is in Swarasa form 10 to 20 ml, Churna form 3 to 6 gram, and Kwatha 40 to 80 ml. Other information about this Vasa, it contains alkaloids like fascine and fascikinone, main chemical constituent responsible for bronchodilator and expectorant action, safe and effective in respiratory disorders when used in proper dose. In summary, we can say that Adhatoda is Tikta Kafahara Shwasahara Dravya, mainly used in respiratory disorders like Shwasa Kasa due to expectorant and bronchodilator properties. These are my handwritten notes. So, Vasa, Adhatoda Vasica, in Marathi Adolsa, English Malabar nut, family Acanthaceae, perennial herb, useful part patra, and It is found in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa. कर्म श्वासहर कासहर रक्तपित्तहर तृष्णाशामक ज्वरघ्न छर्दिघ्न दोषघ्नता कफपित्तशामक मेन कर्म रुच्चवर्ण synonyms सिंहस्य सिंहिका because its flowers look like सिंह face माता वृष कफः भिषक formulations वासा अरिष्ट वासा घृत वासा क्वाथ वासा कंद वासा अवलेह आमायिक प्रयोग of Vasa. In Rakta Pitta, leaves juice of Vasa plus honey is given. In Jwara, leaves juice plus honey is given. In Kasa, cold infusion of Vasa is given. Here ends our first drug, that is Vasa. If you want my handwritten notes, you can DM to my Instagram account, which I'll be giving in comment section or description. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.